This is Chris Hansen, and I'm just literally still, I'm being brutally tortured by microwaves all in the back of my head. I've called KHON numerous times here on the island of Oahu, and it's coming from the east over here and the west. Microwaves, all types of satanic blasphemies forced into my head. It's like I'm thinking in one part of my brain, and I can feel this stuff like just streaming and waving around like radio signals, pushing stuff through my brain, almost like it's trying to program my brain like a remote control or something, trying to like use me for a puppet. I've reported it numerous times, and the terrorism continues here in Oahu, Hawaii. This is Chris Hansen. This is a record of it, and I'm going to post this to YouTube. KHON, WJRT, TV12, and WNEM, TV5, back in my home state. I've contacted them numerous times when I was there. I was forced out of my hometown because of organized gang stalking, and now it's here in Oahu, Hawaii. I've been assaulted already. I'm still being tortured. I'll post this for the public.